To get a shipping label, start by visiting a specific website. Type the website's name into your web browser's search bar and click on the first option that appears. This will take you to the website, where you'll see various options, including a catalog, search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites, and profile. To proceed, log in by clicking the Sign In or Log In button. Once logged in, click on the Sell Now option to list an item for sale. After uploading your item, you can view your profile, which will display items you have for sale. If you negotiate with a buyer and make a sale, you'll need to ship the item. The website will automatically generate a shipping label for sold items that require shipping. To access the shipping label, click on the product or log out and log back in. Then look for an option labeled Shipping Label or something similar. This process is necessary for shipping sold items, and the website will provide the necessary label once a sale is made.